What is going on, everybody? It is Dave in here helping you play creatively. Recently, I've been thinking so much about how piano players, we like to learn theory. We think we need more theory in terms of notes, more chords, more melodic ideas, riffs, but I don't think that we need just those things. Really, what I think so much of what many of us need is learning how to groove. I think so many of us have all of the tools that we need to play the music that we want to play well if we can just learn to groove. And so today I'm going to be talking about some worship piano riffs because that is the world that I live in, all right? And this is just to get piano players grooving more with the music rather than just playing the chords to the song and feeling stuck doing things like this. Or sounding sloppy like this. Just all over the place on some arpeggio, not really thinking about the groove. All right, so here's the groove we're gonna work on today. And really this is a simple groove, I think, that can be applied to so many worship songs today because as far as I'm concerned, they all sound the same. Not to sound super pessimistic. All right, here we go. Now, there's not a whole lot to that. We're gonna add much more to that later. But let's think about what's going on here. In my right hand, it's this. One, bum, 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 bum. One, bum, 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 bum. All right? And in my left hand, I'm thinking about the important beats of the measure, which are like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you notice in my left hand, I'm just playing on 1 and I'm playing on 3. All right, and I'm just playing the bass notes. Now, if I have that groove in my right hand, bum 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 bum, I can begin to add some different ideas around that, right? Maybe I can think about the 1 and the 5, okay, while changing the bass notes in my left. All right, it's the same rhythm. Dun, 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 dun. But now I'm playing the 1 and the 5th of the chord. Something else I like to do is I like to add the suspended 2 of the chord, okay? So I like to play around with that. So here, a suspended 2 would be D, E, and A, all right? It is the next note that is one whole step away from the root, okay? So, same idea. All right, something else can be a suspended 4, which would be the 4th note away from the root if you're playing the scale. So for D major, we're gonna count 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we're gonna play the 1, the 4, and the 5th, okay? All right, another thing I like to think about would be the 7th, okay? So we're gonna count 7 notes away from the root. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you gotta know your scale to get there, okay? Because some of you guys are gonna do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's not gonna get you the right note. You gotta know the scale of the chord that you're playing, okay? We're in D major scale, okay? So C sharp is the 7. So we're gonna get some cool stuff here. Now, I was starting to try to add some different things together, but it's the same groove from the beginning. Bum, 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 bum. All right, so you can just apply these different things, chord ideas, to your groove. So think about the sus2, sus4, think about your major 7 chord, all right? And just think about the fifths, okay? Another crucial thing is to make sure that you're emphasizing the important beats within the measure, all right? I'm emphasizing 1 and 3 in my left hand. 1, 3, okay? Even if it was the same chord for that entire duration, I'm gonna make sure I play the D twice, so. All right, and there's some other ideas that you can use in your left hand, but that's not what this video is about. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to learn piano riffs, you want to learn more about worship music, you want to learn how to groove, I have so many resources in the descriptions above me and in the links below. I even have a practice track that you can use with drums and bass and to practice this. So go ahead, check it out in the links above me in the description below. But until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.